midst of life's challenges, music has the power to uplift and inspire. Filipino worship songs, with their heartfelt lyrics and melodies, offer solace and strength. Here are 5 songs that can carry you through life's darkest moments.
Before we continue, please like this video, subscribe to Quit Porn PH, and comment Amen if worship songs have helped you too.
The 5. Ikaw Lamang by Jaya.
This song reminds us that even when everything falls apart, God is more than enough. The lyrics, Ikaw lamang ang aking kailangan, translate to, You alone are what I need. This message aligns with Psalm 73:26. God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever.
4. Sayo Lamang by Bukas Palad.
In chaos, this song offers the peace that only God can provide. The line, Walang ibang hanap sa buhay, kundi ikaw, meaning, no one else do I seek in life, but you, echoes the sentiment of Psalm 62:1. My soul finds rest in God alone.
3. Still, Tagalog version, by Hillsong, covered by OG Alcacid.
This anthem of courage in the storm reassures us of God's presence. The line, Sa gitna ng unos, ikaw ay Diyos, translating to, In the midst of the storm, you are God, reflects Isaiah 41:10. Do not fear, for I am with you.
Number 2, Tanging Yaman by Carol Banawa.
This song recenters our hearts to treasure God above all else. The lyrics, Ikaw ang tanging yaman ng aking buhay, meaning, You are the only treasure of my life, resonate with Matthew 6:21. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also.
Yiswan, Lead Me Lord by Basil Valdez.
In times of confusion, this song helps us surrender and trust in God's way. The line, Lead me, Lord, even though at times I'd rather go alone, aligns with Proverbs 3:5-6. Trust in the Lord, and He will direct your paths.
These songs serve as reminders of God's unwavering presence and guidance, offering hope and comfort during challenging times.